Hey, Amy from the blog, blossominglife.com, and today I want to show you how to make an avocado and honey face mask. It has just a few ingredients and it's super simple to whip up and so nourishing for your skin. So let's get started. Okay, so what you're going to need to make this is avocado, and I use just about a quarter of a small avocado and then use the rest to make some guacamole. I'll put a link in the description box below, my favorite guacamole. Anyway, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of bentonite clay, a half a tablespoon of honey, essential oils if you would like, and you also, if you have really dry skin, you can add a drop or two of your favorite nourishing skin oil. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my avocado. This one has been in my fridge. I like to get a big bag of avocados and then keep them in the fridge, and then whenever I need them, I pull them out. They last way longer. So I'm just going to use about a quarter of this, of 1 avocado. In my bowl here, I already have 1 teaspoon of bentonite clay. With bentonite clay, you don't want to use any sort of metal touching it, or it can kind of deactivate it. So I have my avocado here in my bentonite clay, and I'm going to smash it. I have this like silicone little spatula here, and I'm just going to smash my avocado up to get it start getting mixed in. Okay, there you go. And then I'm going to add my half a tablespoon of honey. Honey is great for your skin. It has antibacterial properties. It also can help lock the moisture in. We're just gonna mix this up. Then I'm gonna add 1 to 2 drops of essential oils. You can use one that's really good for your skin. If you're dealing with some inflamed skin, you can use lavender. If you have acne-prone skin, you could do a drop of tea tree oil. Frankincense is also great. Geranium, also good skin oil. I'm just going to add 1 drop and mix it in. This isn't very much, that's why you only need a tiny little bit. All right, that's it. Wasn't that simple? Now to use this, what I like to do is wash my face, have a nice clean face, and then I'm just going to apply the mask to my face and let it sit on there for about 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes if you'd like, and then rinse it off and follow it up with my favorite moisturizer. I usually like to do this at nighttime before my shower, and then after I rinsed off in the shower, I will apply one of my favorite moisturizers, which is shea nut oil. You want more information about all the ingredients that I use and why I use them, you can check out in the description box. I will link the blog post below. Face masks are one of my favorite things to make because they're really simple, they're really cheap. You can have most of the ingredients already in your pantry, and they're much healthier for you than store-bought ones. A lot of times the store-bought ones don't always contain very nice things in them, and you know exactly and can control exactly what goes into your face mask. Now, one reason I love this one is because it has bentonite clay in it, which is great for helping reduce inflammation. It can also help pull toxins out of your skin. It's great for acne-prone skin. The honey is naturally antibacterial. It also helps pull moisture into your skin. And the avocado is full of healthy fats and vitamins like E and C. And now I have enough avocados left to still make some guacamole. So face mask plus guacamole, can you really get anything better than that? Thank you so much for joining me on how to make your own avocado face mask. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I share 2 new videos every week on simple recipes, DIY projects, and natural living products. Thanks for stopping by.